Hi, welcome back, boys and girls. This is coming here again from the mathscenter.com. Here's a continuing series on a couple of videos that I've done over the last week. I think last week I started with probability. Probability is a very simple idea. I talk about it, and I continue this week with some short, simple videos on probability. All right, so let's do a little bit more harder questions, and we'll slowly build it up. I want to thank the publisher Collins. Collins is a very good book for some revision workbooks, for some exercises here. Okay, now previously we've got a lot of exam solutions on our website that I've done, but this time I like to take slowly some ideas and talk about it. Find that probability is something that a lot of students don't like it, but it's very important. It's very, very important for higher studies, for higher math studies. Okay, before I forget, please do give us a thumbs up, like and share with your friends this video. Check us out, all our courses for maths, physics, accounting, A-level maths, IB maths, even actuarial science, actuarial maths on the mathscenter.com. All right, so let's begin. All right, so this is further to last week. Okay, now, okay, I picked some questions here. Let me write it out. Okay, write it out here. So let's begin slowly. It says that there's a bag. Okay, we do some simple question. A bag has 2 green, right? 3 red, and 5 blue balls. Okay, right? So total, people, we have 10 balls of 3 different types of color: green, red, and blue. All right, so now if you choose a ball at random, random, people, means no biasness. All right, that means you do not deliberately favor a particular color or you shy away from another color. So random means no biasness. Okay, it's fair. It's fair. Huh? So what's the probability that it's not red? So probability of not red means that the ball is either green or blue, which in this case there's 7 of non-red colors being green or blue over a total of 10 balls. So your probability is 7 over 10. So basically this probability says that if you have a whole sample of 10 balls and you pick one ball, put it back at random, and then pick it again, and then note the color and put it back at random, they say on average, if you have one sample of 10 balls, you probably will expect 7 to be not red, which means that you may expect 7 to be red, 3 to be red. Okay, that's pretty simple. Okay, so you can play this video again and take a look at and rewatch this video. Okay, some simple probability questions. The next one, a simple one. Sorry, this is question 1. This is question 2. Okay, says the probability of it not raining, no rain tomorrow. All right, let's say no rain tomorrow is 0.34. So what's the probability that it will, the probability it will rain tomorrow, 0.34. So probability of no rain, that's pretty simple, will be 1 minus 0.34. That means 0.66. 0.66 or a 66% chance of rain, of no rain. Okay, probability of no rain 0.34 or 34%. So probability of no rain will be 66% or 0.66. Okay, pretty easy, this one. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, number 6. Let's do a little bit a slightly more complex question. Okay, so for that I need to erase this. Let me erase this. Okay, let's do a question that's a little bit more involved. Okay. Okay, here goes. So let's say they say that a girl, Greta plays 1 yellow, 6 blue, 3 green balls in a bag. So altogether you have 10 balls of different colors: yellow, blue, green. Not greens, sorry, bad English. So 3 colors: yellow, blue, green. 1 yellow, 6 blue, 3 green. Okay, so the probability of picking blue is the highest, followed by green, followed by yellow, provided this is it is a random event and there's no biasness, and the balls are not weighted towards a certain color. All right. So now, what is the probability of not choosing blue or yellow? Okay, A. So probability of not choosing blue or yellow. That means no blue or yellow. In this case, no blue or yellow means green, law, correct? Isn't it? No blue and no yellow means green, because there are only 3 colors. So hence it will be 3/10. Okay? That means in a sample of 10 balls that you pick at random, each time you pick it up, put it back, note the color, of course, and then pick one at random, then put it back. You do it 10 times, you expect 3 times out of 10 to be not blue and not yellow. That means it should be green. Cool? So what's the probability of not choosing red? Probability of no red. Hey, red is a color, probability of not choosing red. There's no red here. So whether you are biased or not biased, and you just pick a ball and you deliberately pick yellow, pick blue, pick green, definitely you won't be able to pick red. So it is 100% certain that you will not have a red ball. So now when it is 100% certain, the probability is 1. Okay? Or in percentage, 100%. Please don't write nonsense like 110%. So it's 1/1 as a fraction, which is 1, or 100%. Because for sure, for certain, whether you open your eyes or keep your eyes closed and you just put your hand in and pick the ball, definitely it won't be red, which is certain, 100% certainty. Okay? So we call it 1 as a fraction, or 100%. Cool? C. Now, Greta takes out a blue ball. Okay, so you take out 1 blue ball, right? And you do not replace it, no replacement. So no replacement. Now what do you have? You have 1 yellow, you have 1 less blue. You no longer have 6 blue, you have 5 blue, and you still have 3 green. The total now you have is only 9 balls. You have a total of 9 balls in total, no longer 10. You're not replacing the blue. Okay, so therefore you only have 1 yellow, 5 blue instead of 6, because you put away the blue, and you still have 3. Total number of balls right now is reduced by 1 from the previous 10, so it's 9. So what's the probability of choosing green? Hence, in this case, the probability of choosing green is the number of green, which is 3, over the new total 9. 3/9, or you can write it as 1/3. All right, that means out of every sample, let's say of 3, you expect 1 to be green. Or out of a sample of 9, you expect 3 to be green. Okay, so you can write your answer as 3/9 or 1/3. Okay, so people, this concludes our second lesson in simple probability for IGCSE Maths. I'll see you next time, and we'll do a little bit more involved problems for probability. All right, so do follow us, give us a like and share. It helps us to stay online and encourages us to do more. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.